Go.
This is my bicycle check. We start with frame. It's the biggest ass thing on the bike. Wee People Crisis 2011. Got it for free. It's pretty damn dandy. We got some shitty stolts down. Pile of shit. Shut up, Jamie! We got some RD bars with some Colt Vans on. Pretty damn schmexy. They feel fucking like wet condoms and shit. Barnes are Colt Vans. We got some stock forks because they're shit as fuck.
Fat as fuck.
Yeah, we got some fat as fucking fanny fuck. Rims is fucking stock from salt shit. We moved to the cranks. We got some shitty stock cranks, which I rounded the fucking bolt off because I'm a dick with a hammer. And got some fucking shitty plastic pedal and some fucking random metal pedal on the other side for grippiness for foot jams.
That is it.
Yeah.
A mongoose.
A mongoose. Got Weird People Reason. Seat. Pivotal. Back to the chain is slack as Dutch, like my mum's vagina. Yeah. We got another Fit FF fucking tan wall. And then we got a 2010 Verde back wheel. Don't know which one bike it is though, but pretty sound. There we go. Okay, good check.